Samsung is quietly getting ready to introduce one of its most meaningful display advancements yet, an upgrade that could reshape the way we experience foldable phones. The upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 8 is expected to debut a new privacy-driven screen technology called Flex Magic Pixel. This isn't a minor tweak, it's a fundamental shift in how the display behaves, and it sets the stage for something bigger. Flex Magic Pixel first appeared on the Galaxy S26 Ultra, but bringing it to a foldable changes the conversation entirely. This is not a software overlay or a simple viewing filter. It's a hardware-level OLED breakthrough built directly into the panel itself. And once you understand how it operates, you'll see why it matters so much for large-screen devices. At its core, Flex Magic Pixel manages light output at the individual pixel level. Instead of applying a blanket privacy mode, the display intelligently adjusts how light leaves the screen. When sensitive content is detected, viewing angles narrow automatically without dimming or compromising what you see from the front. It's precise, focused control, and it opens up entirely new possibilities. On the Galaxy Z Fold 8, the expansive inner display is fully compatible with this system. That's crucial. Foldables offer far more screen real estate than standard phones, and that size makes privacy even more important. Integrating pixel-level light control into a large, flexible panel is a significant move, and it's only the beginning of the story. What makes this technology compelling is how intelligently it operates. It doesn't treat every pixel the same. Instead, privacy control can be applied dynamically across broad areas of the screen, adapting in real time. Whether the device is fully unfolded or being used in multitasking mode, the display responds based on what's actually happening on screen. Picture the phone opened flat. The system can narrow viewing angles across the entire inner panel, or just specific sections where sensitive information appears. This selective control is made possible because each pixel dictates how light exits. Side visibility becomes restricted while the direct front view stays clear, bright, and sharp. It's subtle but incredibly effective. Samsung originally showcased this innovation alongside the Galaxy S26 Ultra as part of its broader push toward AI-assisted displays. The goal wasn't just better brightness or color accuracy, it was smarter interaction. Now, applied to foldables, that same philosophy could redefine how confidently we use larger screens in public spaces. And that's exactly why the Galaxy Z Fold 8 stands out. Foldables are often opened on trains, in cafes, at airports, places where shoulder surfing is a real concern. With a massive inner display, privacy risks increase. A technology designed specifically to limit off-angle visibility could make public use far more secure. But privacy isn't the only area Samsung is refining. There's also a new safety mechanism reportedly in development for upcoming foldables, including the Galaxy Z Fold 8, Galaxy Z Flip 8, and a new model referred to as the Galaxy Z Fold Wide. And this one focuses on physical protection. The feature is called foreign material detection. Its purpose is straightforward: safeguard the flexible display from hidden debris. Early findings tied to One UI 9 suggest the system can identify dust, dirt, or small particles lodged near the hinge area before they cause visible damage. That proactive step could make a meaningful difference in long-term durability. If the device detects obstruction, it may stop the folding process before fully closing and send a notification instructing the user to check for debris. By preventing pressure from building against trapped particles, the screen is protected from scratches and structural stress. And for those who prefer full control, this alert system can be disabled if needed. Leaked One UI 9 files uncovered by Android Authority also include design visuals of 3 upcoming foldables: the Galaxy Z Fold 8, Galaxy Z Flip 8, and a newly introduced Galaxy Z Fold Wide. While the Fold 8 and Flip 8 maintain a familiar look, subtle refinements are visible. The Wide, however, appears distinctly different. When closed, it adopts a passport-like form factor, departing from the traditional fold silhouette. Across all 3 models, leaked imagery suggests slightly softer, more rounded corners. The changes aren't dramatic, but they signal thoughtful evolution, and together, these upgrades hint at a more intelligent generation of foldables on the horizon.